Guys, welcome back to my tool of the week. Today it's just a quick one for welders. If you've not seen these, it's magnetic magnets, if you like. They're 45 degree. You can hold stuff vertical, you can pick stuff up with it, you can hold it. Best use of them is just to do that. And that'll join your metal perfectly square. You can tack weld that, it won't move. Tack it on that side, it's not going to go anywhere. It's perfect. If you're just going to do something simple like that, or just join two pieces together, then that's all you need to do. That's going to give you a vertical on it. You don't need to check that with a square, that will be vertical. All you've got to do is tack weld each side. Remove the magnet and weld it up, or keep the magnet there and weld one side and change it over and do the other side. It's perfect for everyone. Everybody should have one in the toolbox. I've got 2 or 3 of them and I use them a lot. They hold round bar, square bar, angle iron. You can hold so many things with them together. I've actually went fishing for them and put a bit of rope through it to pick stuff up that I couldn't reach one time. So, useful piece of kit. Get yourself some magnets. Thanks for watching.